I hope you guys are obeying to the laws of the government and keeping yourself inside the home, staying inside the home, not going out, obeying lockdown, and maintaining social distancing. Extremely important in this phase. The entire world is going through a difficult time. I'm sure we'll come out of it very soon. Both scientifically, both in government policies, we are doing the right things, we are taking the right steps. At the same time, astrologically, also from the 1st of April, when Jupiter moves to Capricorn, things will be better for us, right? Things will slowly improve. We will see, hopefully, the numbers reducing, the number of deaths also reducing, and we are coming out of this phase quickly. So today in this video, I am planning to start a new series, that is the conjunction of moon with other planets. I had completed the sun and moon conjunction in the sun series of conjunction. So today I will do the conjunction of moon and Mars, and it will be followed by moon and moon and Mercury, and then it will end at moon and Ketu. Hi friends, my name is Hardik. You're watching my YouTube channel on Vedic Astrology, AstroKeen. So let's start. Right guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel. Please do that immediately, and also please click on the notification button or the bell button so that whenever I post a video you get the notification right away. Now coming to this series, moon, as I said you before in one of my videos, and I'll put that link below, when I discussed about which is the most important planet in your birth chart. I mean, every planet is important, but according to me, moon is the most important planet, because moon is your mind, and if your mind is strong and your moon is strong, then even if you go through difficult times, and everybody in their life will go at some point of time difficult times, so whenever you go through your difficult times, you can overcome it because your moon is strong. But if your moon is weak in your chart and you go through a difficult time, then the difficulties will multiply, right? So it's better to have a good moon in your chart. Now coming to moon and Mars combination, what is moon? Moon is your mind, moon is your emotions, moon is your mother, moon is about water, and moon is about travel as well. Whereas Mars is your courage, Mars is your determination, Mars is the fighter, Mars is the soldier to the king, Mars is the planet which will give you the strength to fight the world, right? Mars is about your desires. So what happens when moon comes in conjunct or is in the same house with Mars? Now when I say conjunction, as I have said in my previous videos, the conjunction is powerful only when the degrees between two planets is less than 15 degrees. Beyond 15 degrees, though it still technically is in conjunction, beyond 15 degrees, though it is still a conjunction technically, but the effect of the conjunction will reduce. Say for example, moon is at 3 degree and Mars is at 29 degree, or Mars is at 5 degree and moon is at 24 degrees, then the conjunction is less significant. Of course it will be conjunction, and of course it will give you the similar kind of results, but the effect will be, it will reduce. Now moon and Mars conjunction is considered to form a yoga called as Chandra Mangala yoga. Chandra is moon, Mangal is Mars, so it's called as a yoga which is Chandra Mangala yoga. Now Chandra Mangala yoga is a very strong yoga in this era or in this current period. Why? Because the competition is cutthroat. You want to win battles, you have to have a strong, your mind will support you to win battles. It will make you a dynamic personality, it will make you a fighter. It will, in professional life, it's an extremely important combination to have. In politics, if you're a politician, it's a very, very strong combination which will take you to heights, because your mind is supported by a fighter. Or if you have a stable mind and there is a fighter in you or a fighting attitude in you, you can really do well in that particular time, or whenever the time period of moon and Mars comes, and they comes at the same time, right? You have a moon mahadasha followed by Mars antardasha, right? So in that period it will really help you if you have a strong moon and Mars combination. A strong moon and a Mars, if moon and Mars are benefic for you, for example, for a Cancer ascendant, moon is the ascendant lord, uh, whereas Mars is one of the most benefic planet for Cancer ascendant people. So if they are forming a conjunction for a Cancer ascendant in a good house, then it will make the person very dynamic. This will make a person a very strong mind and a fighter. This guy will be, will be a go-getter. He will go out to win battles. He'll be a very strong personality. He'll be a person to whom people will get attracted to. So it's a very good combination to have in the professional field. It's a very good combination to have when you face the outer world, or when, if you want to be an extrovert, it's a very strong combination to have. So that's the good part of this combination, but there is a bad side to this as well. Now if, for example, moon is afflicted, or Mars is afflicted, or if this conjunction is afflicted, or if these planets are malefic or functional malefic in your chart, then what happens is that there can be friction in your mind, right? You may get angry frequently. You may be a hyperactive person. You may be a short-tempered person. You may get angry in the slightest of the thing. So in relationship it can create problem. In families it can create frictions. Between friends, between siblings, between your spouse, it may create problems. So in that case you need to understand that, and if you see that this combination is there, then try to adjust and try to meditate a little bit, so that your moon and Mars, they can cool down a bit. Because there is a fighter, and the fighter is a difficult one, because it's a malefic in your chart. There is a moon which is malefic. That means your mind is also disturbed. So when a fighter and a bad moon and a bad Mars kind of combine together, so when a difficult moon and a difficult Mars kind of combine together, then it can create havoc sometime, right? So in that case you need to be a little careful. But generally it's a good combination. It's a strong combination. It implies a person should have a strong personality, a dynamic personality, who's a go-getter. But at the same time you need to be careful as far as your family, or your relationship with your family members are concerned. When you as a person, your state of mind is concerned, you have to be careful if both moon and Mars, or that conjunction, is afflicted. Right, guys? If you have any queries, any question, you can mention in the in the box below. You can comment below, and whenever I get time, I'll try and answer your questions. Please share my channel if you have liked my video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.